Hi there, and welcome to our video on 10 easy ways to make money online. If you're looking for ways to earn extra cash from home, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share 10 tried and true methods for making money online. Take surveys. There are a number of websites that will pay you for your opinion. Simply sign up, take surveys, and earn rewards or cash. Sell products or services on a marketplace platform. Marketplace platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon allow you to set up an online store and sell products or services. You can sell physical or digital goods, or offer services such as consulting, coaching, or design work. Create and sell ebooks, courses, or printables on your own website or platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Social media influencer. Build a following on social media and monetize it through sponsored content, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular topic, you can create a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It takes time and effort to build an audience, but it can be a rewarding way to share your knowledge and make money online. Dropshipping. Sell products online without holding inventory by partnering with a supplier and using a platform like Shopify. Transcription. Transcribe audio or video recordings for clients online. Become a virtual assistant. If you have administrative or organizational skills, you can make money by becoming a virtual assistant. You can find work through websites like Upwork or Fiverr, and you can earn money by helping people with tasks such as scheduling, email management, and data entry. Offer freelance services. If you have a skill or talent, such as writing, graphic design, or social media management, you can offer your services on websites like Upwork or Fiverr and earn money by helping people with their projects. Sell handmade items. If you enjoy making things, consider selling your handmade items on Etsy or a similar platform. You can make and sell everything from jewelry and clothing to home decor and artwork. Do online tutoring. If you have a teaching or tutoring background, you can make money by offering online tutoring services through websites like tutor.com or Wyzant. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 10 ways to make money online. Remember, these are just a few of the many options available, and each one may require time, effort, and sometimes investment. It's important to do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any financial decisions. If you'd like to learn more about any of the topics we covered, be sure to let us know in the comments. We'll be covering each of these ways to make money online in more depth in future videos, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider sharing it with your friends and followers. We appreciate your support and can't wait to bring you more content about making money online. Thanks for watching.